welcome back. This episode we're going to be talking about discs that suit off-road, enduro and motocross bikes. Starting off with a simple plain disc for any off-road sort of style. It is stainless steel and it is made from the stainless steel that we use on the X and the XCs and the VRs and also the big twin discs. So especially selected to be used with our sintered pads. Sintered pads for off-road vehicles and enduro vehicles are completely different to the street ones, but they are touched on in previous episodes. So this stainless steel is hardened and tempered, and again suitable for most off-road uses. This disc is also available in our CX version, which is a more extreme looking version and better for clearing dirt out of the caliper. This is the CX disc. As you can see, it is very similar to the VR pattern of our street discs. Quite an aggressive contour on there, but it's got the big holes there for clearing out your pads and clearing out your calipers from all the dirt. There is an enduro version available which has no holes cut, and that will stop any build-up of mud or sand or dirt getting into them holes and blocking up the discs. If your motorcycle comes with a floating disc, we will do a floating disc for it. There are some conversions available. Look on our website for the applications. These are made from the same stainless steel as everything else, so they are especially selected, tempered and hardened for use with our sintered pads. Again, using the square drive bobbins and an aluminium hub. If you're racing or you're a motocross racer or just riding motocross hard, you might want to upgrade to our oversized disc. Now again, this is using the same stainless steel as all of our other discs that we've got stainless steel. It has got a nice contour there for clearing out the crud that you're going to pick up out of your caliper. These are fronts only, we don't do an oversized for the rear. Again, aluminium hub, nice and light, square drive bobbins. As you can see, this has got the 6 bobbins on there. With the SMX discs, you also get a relocation bracket. Now this will obviously relocate your caliper outwards so that the pad track on the caliper and on the disc will always be intact. If you're taking your dirt bike off-road, you've put rotars on it and you're racing it on tarmac, you might want to go for a Supermoto disc. This is our SMX disc. Same stainless steel rotor as used on all of our other range, and it has the square drive bobbins as well. A nice light aluminium hub finished in black, and again these are sold with the relocation brackets to take your caliper out to match the disc. Our SMX discs are 320mm. Now that is huge for an off-road bike. Obviously don't use it on the dirt, there is just too much braking power there for when you're on mud and you'll just lock the front wheel up. Always go for OSX if you're in the mud and SMX if you're on tarmac. Okay, so that is touching basically on our motocross, enduro and off-road bikes. On the next episode, we'll be touching on our vintage motorcycle disc, a nice upgrade for any vintage motorcycle there that comes with solid discs from factory. Join us again, thanks very much.